Hey guys, it's CJ Trent and welcome back to my channel. So today we're here still at Grand Rapids, Michigan, and today is 4th of July, so happy 4th of July. Luckily I was invited by my colleague and we're going to a nearby beach here, which is at Grand Haven or probably somewhere north. So it would be my first time to go to beach here in the US, and it's not the typical beach that I was able to go back in the Philippines because this beach is on the lake. We're going to Lake Muskegon, which is probably one of the biggest lakes here in the US, and I'm just excited. Just excited how it goes, but I would expect that it would be crowded today because it's a holiday and most of the people are going to the beach. So let's see how it goes, and I hope we enjoy this video. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe and share peace and love. Hey guys, how's it going? So we're here now. This is the Lake Muskegon, and I think dulo right now. And we're still looking for a spot to put our things and chill. So what? Bring your own gamit. Pero ambot may gamit ipang dala. Pero let's go.
Out in the shade.
Yeah.
And now we still have enough space to actually lay out.
Okay, so we found a spot and you cannot see me because the light is over there. So we found a spot and ang painit sa go, talago mga iko. Alright, og nauwaw ang inyong tito mag-vlog. Kaya ako raw sa ang dala og camera drill. And that's JB, ang akong office mate. Kaya nilakaw na, kaya maligo siya. He's right over there. Pabilin ko, kayo niya raw tato maligo, kaya init kayo. Kung takalagom, magsanbiti mo ko ganiha, correct. Pero grabe no? Like, hilig sila mo kuhan, sunbathing. Okay, ganang sa colors ako ang panit. Na ako, I'm just enjoying my chippy here. My favorite. And some beer right over here. No, beer. I should be probably going to the water and get wet. I don't think all our gadgets are safe here. Wow, siguro. Like and subscribe. Leave no trace. Please be a responsible traveler. Peace and love. So the water is cold. So it's basically a lake. So it's cold. The water, it's fresh water and it gets cleaner. Look at these bubbles. I mean, totally different from that we have in the Philippines, right? And we have ocean, so we don't have this kind of water. So it's totally a different experience. The water is cold. 1, 2, 3. You good? Oh yeah. It's good, right? Okay, so we're out going to the woods and trying to check out and see the woods and go some nice hike. Let's go. Nobody's gonna kill us for this?
No. I guess that's what it does. Oh.
I thought it was for the wrong turn. You know those movies?
Yeah.
So hot sand. Yeah, but it's slippery. That's the lake. Finally back. It's very hot. Sand. Whew. We gotta go back to where we parked, so we gotta go home now. Alright, so we're here at Grand Haven. Where are we heading? Looking for food?
This way.
Looking for food. It's hot. Okay, so we're here somewhere around downtown Grand Haven, Michigan, and we're gonna have our dinner and probably some beers, and we're gonna wait for the fireworks for the 4th of July. So let's please stay tuned. Alright. Shit.
There's ice.
How's the burrito?
I love it.
Good, good here.
Good. Hey guys, so we're finally going home. It's past 7 now, so and we're kind of tired of that unexpected hike and that hike, so we're going home now. Finally back in the hotel after a long and hot day. Not long, one day. So I wasn't able to vlog really. Just some awkward moments and stuff, and I don't know what's going to happen in this video, but don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Happy 4th of July, everybody. Sure, peace and love.